Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdissaTV.in presenting today's news from Odisha. First headlines. Bahuda Yatra celebrated at Puri. Chariots roll on Bododanda. Newborn baby boy found abandoned in bush in a village of Dhenkanal district. Pharmacists treating patients as no doctors available. Another incident in Jajpur after Khordha. Niyali attacks. Suspense continues with 2 more ship deaths reported. And Asian Athletics Championship. Police to restrict vehicle movements in some routes. Now the details. The Trinity were brought out of the Gundicha temple in Dadhi Pohandi or line procession for the Bahuda Yatra in Puri today. Amid Jai Jagannath and Haribol chanting, Lord Sudarshan was first brought out and servitors carried Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra and Lord Jagannath amid spiritual fervour atop the 3 chariots. Devotees will pay obeisance to the deities seated on the chariots during the Sunabesa tomorrow. A newborn baby boy was found abandoned amid a bush near Kontapada village under Konkadahada police station in Dhenkanal district in the wee hours of Monday. The baby, presumably a day or 2 old, was spotted inside the bush after his wails were heard by one Mangala Dehuri of the village. The infant was admitted to Kamakhya Nagar Sub-Divisional Hospital and is said to be in a stable condition.
छोटे छोटे कांदला देखिली जेतले धरके आसली हम नटी जन गुटे नटी थिला आया कोठी धरके आले नाही नाडर सब लागी थिला धरके आले घटटाटो काटी देली हम आया मेडिकल रे अवस्था केंदी भल अछि.
After Khordha, another case of pharmacists treating patients due to lack of staff, especially doctors, has surfaced from Kolha Singha Medical Center under Bodachana block of Jajpur district. Pharmacist and a 4th grade staff provides health services at the medical center. Locals alleged, despite of regular requests, the administration has failed to solve the problem.
5 खंड पंचायत ये आसिक माने उपकृत होती किंतु कई तो नहांती डाक्तर आसुना भल करना औषध पत्र भी दिया पारनी आ सब प्रकार असुविधा जड़े फार्मासी रेगुला से आसुँच असुविधा 15 किलोमीटर जाऊँगी बर्षणा ना कटक आउ असुविधा किसी ना राति की असुविधा किसी ना.
कोला सिंह तो गोटे पीएचसी न्यू अच्छी आमर बर्चना सीएचसी रे आपण ये जो जिन कहते डाक्तर रोना कि कौन करना मुझे डिटेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन करिया को पड़ो से जिन जानापी एक्चुअली व्हाट हैज हैपेंड व्हाट वाज द फैक्ट. डाक्तर देखो डाक्तर एज ए होल शॉर्टेज अच्छी सबुआड़े.
The elusive, mysterious animal continues to give sleepless nights to villagers and Forest Department officials in Niyali, with 2 more sheep reportedly killed on Sunday night at Olonsa village. On the other hand, no wild animal was caught in the trap laid by Forest Department last night. Awareness drive has been undertaken by forest officials to make people aware about rumors. Posters have been put up in villages and leaflets have been distributed in this regard. In view of expected huge congregation and possible traffic snarls on the inaugural day of Asian Athletics Championship on 5th July, the Commissionerate Police has made some restrictions on the movement of public vehicles on specific routes in capital city. As per CP notification, no vehicle will be allowed to ply on Bidyut Marg from Jaydev Vihar via Shastri Nagar. Vehicles coming from Nalko Square will be diverted to Acharya Vihar via Jaydev Vihar. Similarly, commuters coming from Shastri Nagar will be diverted to Sachivalaya Marg. The restriction will only be followed from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. on 5th July. No vehicles will be allowed on Behra Sai Square, Nico Park patch from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. as the road will be used as parking lot. However, the restriction will not be applicable to vehicles having entry pass to enter the stadium through gate number 2 and 8, the notice said. State BJP today released an audio CD and a poster for welcoming the party national president Amit Shah, who would be visiting Odisha on a 3-day tour from 3rd July. Hoardings and cutouts have been placed at various places in the capital city to welcome Shah. With the slogan "More Booth, Sabuto Majboot" in the poster, the party has also called upon people of Odisha to fight for their rights. The poster also carries facts regarding the funds allocated to the state government by the centre and the inactiveness of the former. The anti-liquor protest is gaining momentum in the state, with separate protests staged at Bhubaneswar, Barampur and Angul yesterday against the sale of liquor. Protesters even ransacked a liquor shop in the capital city. Scores of women on Sunday joined an anti-liquor movement and went on a rampage to demolish a liquor outlet in Bharatpur area in Bhubaneswar. For the first time, children were seen in the anti-liquor protest. Women staged a road blockade in Patrapur under Purushothampur block in Ganjam district, demanding eviction of the liquor shop in the area. It is worth mentioning that anti-liquor movements were also witnessed in different places in Dhenkanal, Baleswar and Sambalpur districts in the last couple of months. It was just a week ago when MP Bhartuhari Mahatab had sparked off a controversy by writing an editorial on Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's hasty decision of supporting BJP-chosen Kovind for presidential election. A week later, on Saturday's editorial, taking a different stance, he came up with another editorial supporting BJD President's decision in supporting Kovind. BJD Vice President and Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Surya Narayan Patra also favoured the article. Rampant irregularities in projects under MGNREGS are surfacing frequently in Odisha, with one more case of corruption being reported from Petapada Panchayat under Ali block in the district. It is alleged that machines were used instead of enrolling job card holders for at least 5 project works in the block, and bills towards the projects were even passed without the signature of the assistant engineer there. Meanwhile, the district collector assured a probe into the allegations after getting a written complaint.
नेट रू सर्च करी देखिलु जे वास्तव रे एटा मनोरगा प्रोजेक्ट रे कार्य होईची एवं पाखापाखी 5टी प्रोजेक्ट रे 15 लाख टंकार ऊर्ध्व टंकार बिल पास मध्ये होईची
एटा बिल कथा कोइ परबिनी बिल तो जेई करथिबे तो जेई सेगमेंट हेई नै पन तो नै करि नै पन
ची लिखित अभियोग किछ आसी नै मो भी फर्स्ट टाइम एटा सुनुछु जदि एमती किछ घटना हैला हम तदन करबे.
Police today arrested 5 accused and recovered 3 bikes, 4 samurai swords and 4 live bombs from them in connection with the bomb hurling incident that took place in Barampur on Saturday night. 3 special teams were formed to nab the miscreants. Earlier, the accused had hurled bombs at 2 persons, Sushant Patra and Upendra Behra, after attacking them with swords at Fast Gate area under Boda Bazar police station on Saturday night. Soon after committing the crime, the miscreants fled from the spot. Police said the incident is fallout of an old enmity. A marriage party celebration turned tragic after 2 revelers died and 7 others injured as the Bolero in which they were travelling collided head-on with a speeding truck on NH55 near Hindol Road in the district in the wee hours of Monday. The deceased were identified as Pabitra Mohan Das and Satya Narayan Mishra. The injured were admitted to Dhenkanal District Headquarters Hospital. 3 of them were shifted to SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack after the condition deteriorated. All are employees of JSPL Angul. After sheep killing in Niyali during past few days, cases of sheep death were reported from Moharana Pada in Pondigaon under Kalampur block of Kadahandi district yesterday. Villager Suresh Sabara's sheep was found lying in a field with head torn out of the body. Veterinary doctor of Kalampur confirmed that the sheep was killed by a wild animal as per the post-mortem report. Villagers of the area are in fear that the mysterious animal might also target children as well. The Chief Minister stepped in to abate the fear following the Niyali sheep deaths and issued a statement that the mysterious animal and the sheep deaths are being taken up by the Forest Department seriously. Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, Bahoda Yatra celebrated at Puri. Chariots roll on Bodadanda. Newborn baby boy found abandoned in bush in a village of Dhenkanal district. Pharmacists treating patients as no doctors available. Another incident in Jajpur after Khordha. Niyali attacks. Suspense continues with 2 more ship deaths reported. And Asian Athletics Championship. Police to restrict vehicle movements in some routes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.